Hi friends, it's Mary from Hawg Designs, and today I'm bringing you something extra sweet from the Christmas Bake Shop collection. These ornaments turned out so adorable. We're talking gingerbread, sprinkles, sugar, all the cozy holiday vibes. I'll walk you through how to make these step by step, and at the end I'll share all the different formats you can grab these in depending on how you like to craft. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is prep our wooden ornament bases. I like to paint the whites front. This really helps to bring the bake shop artwork pop and keeps your colors bright and crisp. Use any acrylic paint you love. Then for the backs, feel free to paint them any color you choose that coordinates with your images. You let everything dry completely before moving on. Then the fronts, you're going to apply a generous coat of Mod Podge. Don't be shy with it. You're going to set that aside and let it dry fully. Then we're going to let the magic happen in our next step. You will take your image and you're center it over your ornament. Make sure you line things up as best you can. And then you're going to take a piece of parchment paper and lay that over the top. This is going to protect your iron and your artwork. Using a regular household iron with no steam, or in my case I used a mini iron, you're just going to apply it to your ornament for a few seconds. Want to be careful not to scorch anything, so you're just going to warm up the Mod Podge underneath it so it reactivates and pulls your paper down to the wood. Lift it up, check it, give it another pass or two if needed. Once it cools, your image is going to be beautifully adhered with no bubbles or wrinkles. Now it's time to do the favorite part, and that's embellishing and adding all the fun details. So I start by adding the hangers and ribbons. Hangers, yeah. Here I use some torn fabric. It really adds to give that cozy homespun Christmas feel. Now I'm adding some embellishments. I have found some adorable gingerbread shapes, and I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to place each of them. You can also take buttons and use those as well. This particular design, I'm going to add a little extra oomph to it and adding some greenery behind the bow here. Just trimming up my pieces and hot gluing them in. Here I have some fake sprinkles. I thought it would be so cute to add them to this rolling pin with a little sweet sugar cookie. Add a few of those fake sprinkles. I'm just using some clear tacky glue to adhere them. Now I'm grabbing my glossy accents, and I'm just going to go over a few different ornaments just to highlight some areas, just to give it a little extra sparkle. Adding some glitter or diamond dust also is a beautiful effect. Here we have 4 different options for you. You have a digital download. You can receive them pre-printed on Mulberry paper. I offer DIY kits. as well as the finished ornaments. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to have you subscribe and follow my page.